Hey there, it is Taiba from Cali Ripples Designs. It is the first video on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to encourage by subscribing to this channel and giving a thumbs up if you like my content. I'm a fluid artist and in today's video I'm doing a Dutch pour. So stay tuned to see the end result. So in this Dutch pour, I have selected some vibrant colors against a subtle background. So let's pour. Before pouring out the colors, make sure that your canvas is level. For base, I am using Naples yellow color mixed with titanium white. By the way, I am working on a 40 by 40 centimeters canvas. After evening out the base, I am torching it to remove any bubbles present. Our base is done. Now let's start layering the paints. First color I am using is yellow ochre color. It is super opaque color. Second color I used is vermilion red. Third color is primary magenta mixed with little titanium white. Next color I'm using here is golden color. This color really helps in creating some beautiful lacing. Next color I'm using is cremine red. It is really dark color, so I have added it in drops. Next I'm adding titanium white also in drops because I want to create some shading. I don't want to use it too much. Lastly, I'm adding this beautiful yellowish green color that I literally made by mixing yellow and sap green. I am done layering the colors, so let's blow it up. As you can see, the speed of my blow dryer was very high, splashing some paint on the negative side of the painting. That we can fix, however, by using some paper towel. You can also see some areas that are needed to be fixed. So I am trying here to fix the left side. I had to do it in a couple of tries. Now I'm trying to link the blowouts using my finger. Yellowish green color when mixed with red can give a muddy color. But I'm really happy how it turned out. It looks great. To me, it looks like green petals with the daisy flowers. I show you a close-up view of my painting, how it looks like up close. You can also see the dry result. It is really beautiful. I really like it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned if you want to watch more content like this one.